If I adjust this in the negative side, you see the changes. Let me leave it around 0.740 here. Then here, let me turn this back. This is primary color wheel, so let me try to lift this in the negative side. That is 0.04. After that, you are going to come here to select on the logo. This is the primary logo wheel. So on this logo, I'm going to focus on shadows. Let me show you shadows. Shadows. Let me try to change this. When I change this, you see the colors changes. So I need my video to be in cinematic look, so let me try to adjust this a little bit here, yeah, need to be in teal and orange look. Let it be here. Okay, there. Let me see. Before and after. This is before and after. It's now in teal and orange. Wow, this is good. Now that is how we color grade our video in DaVinci Resolve. So now let me go to another clip. Let me try this one, show you this one, because I have different clips here. Let me show you this. This is before. This is how our video looks before color grading, and this is after color grading. Let me remove this. Let me try to move this, turn on this. This is before and after. Now our picture is looking nice and cinematic. This is the vintage footage, vintage look. You see? Yeah, the picture is looking good. Wow. Let me go on the other clip here. Let me turn this off. Yeah, now you see this is not color graded, it's in the normal camera setting. Yeah, so that this is not color graded, so I'm going to begin now. This is my footage. Now I'm going to start color grading this. Let me press on this. Now you see the difference. Now let me go back here and turn on this. Let me turn all these back. Tap. Wow, now this is after color grading. The skin tone is good. This is before color grading. You see the difference before color grading, and this is after color grading. Yeah, before and after. Yeah, then I'm going to show you the other clips. Those are night scenes. These are daylight scenes. Then I'm going to show you the night scenes, how I color grade the night scenes. Let me first finish these daylight scenes. You see, this is before color grading, and I think you see this very well, this one, these waves. Then let me show you after color grading. You see the changes. This is before. I think you see the color balance is not correct. When I turn back on color grading nodes like this, now you see the color is balanced. Even our skin tone is okay. Now let me go back here. I'm going to show you how I color grade this night scene footage. Let me begin with this one. Let me turn all these off. This is how my footage looks before color grading. It looks like this. Now let me show you after color grading my footage, how it's gonna look. After color grading, it's look like let me select all these. Okay, I'm back here. This is how it looks after color grading. So before color grading, and then after color grading. See the difference before color grading, then after color grading. Our skin tone is looking good. Even the background is looking cinematic. It is in the cinematic look. Okay, let me go back here. Here, even here, you see this is not color graded. Then let me show you after color grading, how it's gonna look. You see, let me show you the wave. This is after color grading. Then this is after color grading, and this is before color grading. I think you see these waves and this vector scope. The color is not balanced. When I turn back this, now our color collection is balanced. Yeah, so that is how we do it, guys. Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment to Filmz Academy. We are going to teach you how to color grade music videos, and so many color grading tips, tutorials, music video directing, and behind the scenes as well. So don't forget to share, comment, subscribe to Filmz Academy channel. Yeah, So guys, thank you so much for watching. Now we shall be in touch next time. Thank you and goodbye.